Tesla is expanding solar roof installations to anywhere in the United States. People generally like Tesla solar products, solar roofs, and so on. The real questions are price at initial survey, price in the contract, the revised contract price right before installation, and the price once everything is completed. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla electric vehicle news coverage and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and give us thumbs up if you find it helpful. Tesla has decided to expand the market for solar roof tile installation to anywhere in the United States, reports Electrek this morning. The move comes as Tesla aims to greatly accelerate solar roof installations. Until recently, Tesla solar roof installations were limited to some approved markets in the United States within a relatively short distance of Tesla energy warehouses. It has been limiting the growth of the product that aims to offer an alternative to regular solar panels, which is still the bulk of Tesla's solar business. Now, sources familiar with the matter told Electrek that Tesla opened installations of the solar roof tiles to any customer anywhere in the United States. If this happens, this is going to be a huge expansion for Tesla services. Anyone can submit an order regardless of their distance from the Tesla energy warehouse, and the company will have the capacity to send travel installation crews to that location where you live. However, Tesla will send people to survey the houses prior to going forward with any project in order to make sure the structures are good candidates for solar roof tiles. The company has been known for prioritizing projects with simpler roofs. This is why I said what matters is the price at survey, the price at construction, the price after everything is finished. As we previously reported, Tesla significantly increased the price of the solar roof tiles earlier this year after introducing a new roof complexity factor. Depends on the complexity of your roof. The increased deployment came after Tesla launched version 3 of its solar roof tiles, which brought a significant price decrease through optimization and faster installation process, friends. Tesla kept refining the product and changed its online cost estimator a few times, decreasing the price again last summer. A year ago, a quote for a 3,947 square foot roof with a 12.3 kilowatt solar roof tile system was $54,966 before incentives, notes Electrek. Now, the Tesla solar roof configurator shows prices between $79,000 to $100,621 for the same size roof. While this is a sharp increase in price, Tesla also appears to try to make its online quotes more accurate with a new roof complexity factor. Roof complexity is determined by the pitch, number of joints, chimneys, and other features on your roof. Complex roofs take more time and material to install than simpler roofs, which increase the total system cost. Once you place an order out, our design teams will use remote imagery to confirm your roof complexity and system fit, says Tesla. However, in this case, the list to the most complex options all result in higher prices than previously quoted for the same address with the same square footage. Now, if someone spends $100,000 on a roof, how many years will it take you to recoup that, friends? Tesla solar roof customers have previously noted some significant differences between price quoted online and after Tesla had a more intensive look at the projects, which all vary in complexity due to many factors. The company has been guiding a significant increase in solar roof installations this year as they hire more roofers and start selling the solar roof through more third-party roofing companies. If you previously built a Tesla solar roof, quote for your own house using the online configurator, you can try again to see if the price has changed, and let us know in the comment section below, friends. Let's have a discussion on that. The trend in the United States home architecture is toward increasing gratuitous complexity in roofness, like joints, heap, useless dormers, and etc. All of this makes normal solar panels almost impossible, and it makes solar roofs more expensive. But like I had my questions, if you can answer, how many years will it take you to have return on your investment? As someone who's been looking to buy a new home recently, it's been maddening trying to find a home that could reasonably take a 5 to 8 kilowatt system, even when the home has great southern exposure, writes one person. These cheesy McMansions all have absurd roofness with superfluous undulations and make it hard to find space for more than 2 or 3 panels. These are the complexities that make roofs more complex. Ronald Lenz comments under Electrek's coverage of this topic and says he agrees with the above comment about architecture and architectural trends in the United States home building. He says architecture, marketing, and sales go hand in hand. Glitz, glamour, and pizza sell. I'm an engineer. My wife is a CPA. We go for practical, functional, comfortable, and economical. A Tesla solar roof was stupid expensive before the price increase. Okay, it looks nice, but Tesla solar panels at $1.51 per watt installed and after tax credit is a lot more practical and economical, he says. He also says 6 years ago we picked an active adult community in southern Arizona where we could build a semi-custom home. We had a choice of floor panels, lots of facades. We chose a 3,100 square foot of Spanish colonial with just enough architecture over Tucson and Santa Fe. The lot has a great mountain view and plenty of southern exposure. The builder offered 3 sizes of conventional solar, not Tesla roof. We chose 5.7 kilowatt, which was $10,500 after state and federal tax credit. In 2020, the system made 10,800 kilowatt hour of energy. We used 10,300 kilowatt hour, which was enough for all LED lighting, computers, phones, and tablets, TVs, 2 air-to-air heat pumps, an electric golf cart, and 8,000 miles in a Tesla. The solar has provided a 12% non-taxable return on investment. We have natural gas for the water heater, clothes dryer, and fireplace. Electricity meter charge is $25 per month. Natural gas is $40 per month. Gasoline is zip zero. No gasoline. So friends, let me know what do you think about Tesla's increasing the solar installations in the United States everywhere. Do you think you will use solar? I have a neighbor who recently built a solar roof. I asked if it was Tesla. I don't know if Tesla was available in our area in Charlotte, North Carolina, but we live on the south side, on the South Carolina border of Charlotte. That he said no, Tesla was very expensive. He looked at the prices. He said Tesla was very expensive considering the local provider who provided the service. Well, let me know your experience. If you found this report informative and helpful, please like it. Give us thumbs up. This is Armin Harayan from torquenews.com. Visit us at torquenews.com for daily Tesla and electric vehicle coverage. Have a great day. I'll see you soon in our next report. Peace be with all of you. Have a great day.